Hello, today I will show you how I get fixed the USB stick. And one day when we used the USB stick, I found that this is 2 GB USB. It was the old type, and when I used it and stick into the PC and find that it was something wrong with there's no indicate light here. Normally if it work, here has the indicate light. Normally my USB is a red light, and with the red light it indicates that the USB is working. But after we use it, I found that it's not normal. It may be broken, and also I found that there's no data. My computer cannot find the another disk, USB disk on the computer. So there must something wrong. And then firstly, I just think it must be something wrong with my USB port from my PC, but that's wrong. After I turn another computer, the problem still got it. So at last, I'm sure that the USB stick is broken down, and whether I just throw into the trash, I just want to figure out what's wrong with it. So I make a decision to break it open to see what's wrong with it. So this USB is very it's not easy to open it. Here is tail for the USB stick. This is easy to remove. Then here's the USB punch. I was thinking it must be something in stick in this practice. So I make it something broken, as you see here. But the right way to move the PCB out, just push the USB opposite side from the USB stick. As you see here, it's just like this. You can punch it from this holes. It was very sticky. You need to make a very hard push to pull it out. So after we pull it out, it's very easy. The structure is was easy, but very simple. Here is the control CPU. The back of the PCB. Here's the memory DDR, maybe DDR3 or something. This is the memory. So normally the memory is not easy to broken. So the first thing I thought the LED is not working. I just think whether the LED is broken down, that make the PCB make the control chip didn't work. But after I checked the LED of this, it's okay. And so because I have a very simple experience to repair the electronics things, so after examining the LED is okay, I really have nothing to do with it. But after I researched some methods on the Google, someone mentioned is that you need to examine the crystal oscillator, whether the crystal oscillator is working. That's make me something important. So they said if the LED is okay, that means that means your cycle oscillator is not working. So I need to double check whether it's working. And as I examine that, the oscillator is here, is 12 megahertz. So 12 megahertz, that means at least you need to check it on the oscillator. So I got the oscilloscope. Yes, oscilloscope. And with this machines, I can check out whether the oscillator is working. So how we can check it? And here I also show you that how to check with the oscillator whether it's working. Here we need to get it a 5 watt. Here we need to get it 5 watt voltage to make it work on its normal rate. Okay. As you see, this one I have replaced the new oscillator, so now the indicating light is okay. But now I will show you how to check the oscillator whether it's working. So first, we need to make the pole adjustable, whether it's okay to work. If something like this, it's okay for the oscilloscope. Now we use the oscilloscope to check out the oscillator. Now we just need to if we just connect the pin of the oscillator, you can see it have the image for the Y. This is the image. As you see here, as you see here, the single time is 50 ns and seconds. And if the 12 megahertz, this single unit second is very important. When you check if the units of the second should be 50 ns. If this image is shown, that means the oscillator is working. If no this image, that means your oscillator don't work well. So after a check, I didn't find that image on the scope. So I replaced this smaller oscillator, then it works fine with the USB. So if you one day you find that your USB indicate light not working, you can try to replace the oscillator, and the first is you need to check with scope to see whether it's working. If there no the image shown on the screen, you can replace it, and it's easy to fix up. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope this can make some tips for you fix up some broken things. If you just throw it into the tablet, it's very easy way. But when you find that you can fix out these smaller things, it was very great job. Okay, bye.